This year, we have all been eagerly awaiting the arrival of summer. The persistent low temperatures have had a noticeable impact on ALGİDA's sales. While people were impatiently sharing posts saying "Let summer come now," we started a joyful campaign that would change the entire mood. Now, the summer and ALGİDA were ready to steal the spotlight, saying that there is no better companion for the most beautiful summer photos than ALGİDA ice cream. We started a fun trend with Instagram stickers and specially designed GIFs. Using AI technology, we selected the most suitable names for our campaign based on high engagement with followers, demographic data, and lifestyles. With the influence of 19 Instagram and 5 TikTok content creators, we further strengthened our brand consumer connection. We asked our influencers to share photos and videos that reflect their favorite ALGİDA ice cream and summer mood while enjoying the summer. We reached more ALGİDA lovers by increasing our presence on social media. Using the GIFs specially designed for each ALGİDA ice cream on Instagram, we encouraged consumers to associate and share their memories with ALGİDA ice cream. Thanks to the Add Yours feature, our influencers call out their followers to join our campaign. With a total of 2.6 million organic views, we ensured that ALGİDA ice cream GIFs were shared and talked about. At the same time, we launched an exciting TikTok activation. Our campaign reached 20.6 million organic views through videos where influencers started by taking the first bite of ALGİDA ice cream and then shared summer-themed content. By owning conversations about summer longing on social media, we achieved 42 million views and increased our total sales by 23% compared to the same period last year. As a result, just like every year, 2023 summer started with ALGİDA.